Well, hello YouTubers, this is Nick and this is my 2015 Victory Gunner. And so what I have done is I'm replacing these blinkers that were here, and I replace them with Eagle Eye LEDs. I put them up under here, one here, with a 5/16 drill bit. I drilled a hole, put them in there, and then tighten the bolt down on the back. So I've got them all wired. Here's the hazard lights. As you see, this is the left blinker. I need to install the load resistor. I'll edit that into the video shortly. And here's the right blinker. But this here is your blinker relay. For those who are wondering, if you get an LED blinker relay, the end looks like this. It's not going to fit the connector, so this is done. It's out of the question. So custom dynamics, I got it from witchdoctors.com. It comes with everything that's needed. Is basically just 3 wires, 3 posi connectors. The black wire to the load resistor goes to the black wire to the wiring harness. I've pulled that out. This other end connects to the wiring harness that goes to the back tail lights. And so posi connectors, one goes to a blue wire, the other goes to the blue and red wire, and again the black wire goes to the ground. So that's what I've done. I've got it all installed. I'm going to put it all back and then show you how well it works. Alright, and as you can see, I've got it all put back together. Hyperflash is gone. Alright, thanks for watching.